Dark circles and under-eye bags are what I refer to as amplifying features, meaning if you're in good form, well-groomed, and have a nice style, they might make you appear mysterious and edgy. However, if you are out of shape, do not have a skincare regimen, and are generally disorganized, they're going to make you appear even worse. In this video, we'll go over how to get rid of or at least reduce the appearance of dark circles and under-eye bags. Why you have them in almost all cases. It's because of genetics, whether it's the form of your orbital bone causing the bags, or the thinness of your skin giving you that dark under-eye appearance. For many people, it's either genetics or something else. Certain things exacerbate them, such as inadequate sleep, a diet heavy in salt, alcohol and tobacco use, allergies, and general skin aging. Now let's talk about some home remedies. Cold compress. Use anything icy, such as an ice gel mask or spoons chilled in the refrigerator for an hour. Place them over your closed eyes for approximately 10 minutes. The cold lowers blood flow to the region, reducing swelling and the appearance of black veins. Slices of cucumber. Cut some cucumbers into thick slices and chill them in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes. Place a cool cucumber slice on each closed eyelid for 10 minutes. Cucumbers have skin, lightening, and mild astringent characteristics that can naturally help decrease puffiness. Tea bags. Steep tea bags, ideally green or black tea, in boiling water for 5 minutes. Allow the tea bags to chill in the fridge for about 20 minutes. Lie down, close your eyes, and insert one cold tea bag on each eyelid. Leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes, then remove it and wash your eyes. Tea bags include caffeine and antioxidants. Caffeine causes blood vessels to constrict, making dark circles look less obvious, while antioxidants assist to decrease inflammation and lighten the skin. Improve sleep. Use an additional pillow or two to lift your head slightly when sleeping. Sleeping with your head slightly raised keeps fluid from pooling around your eyes, which reduces puffiness and dark circles. Now, let's talk about some skincare products. Always use sunscreen. Sunscreen keeps UV radiation from coloring the skin. Regular protection lowers the risk of pigmentation and premature aging. Start using a moisturizer specifically for your under eyes. This will assist to hydrate the skin, fill it up, and minimize the appearance of shadows and fine wrinkles. Start using a retinoid cream. Retinoids increase cell turnover, improve collagen, and assist reduce pigmentation, resulting in less dark circles. Start using vitamin C serum. Vitamin C stimulates collagen formation and has antioxidant effects that help brighten dark spots. Thanks for watching, and make sure you like and subscribe for more.